In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and click on Features. Following that, tap on App Duplicator and click on the gray sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. Then wait. After a couple of seconds or minutes, depends on the app, you can go back and look for it. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on a no blue sweater next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!